Before the truck ever reaches the assembly line, its powertrain begins with precision engineering like this. Large engine components are machined to create the precise surfaces and openings required for assembly. Inside these precisely machined passages, the engine's internal components will eventually operate under enormous loads. Once machining is complete, technicians begin preparing the engine for its next precision assembly operations. Each component must meet the block at the correct position before it can be secured. Precision assembly now turns individually machined pieces into a functioning heavy-duty powertrain. Components in the cylinder head area require careful positioning before the assembly can continue. Inspection is built into the process, helping technicians catch alignment problems before the engine moves forward. From one station to the next, the engine gradually gains the components needed for final vehicle integration. Manual fastening remains important where technicians need direct control over component fit and position. Moving components are checked carefully because even small mechanical errors can affect the finished powertrain. The engine is becoming a complete power unit, but the truck itself is still far from finished. Once the major engine work is complete, the heavy assembly can move toward the next stage of vehicle production. Large assemblies are moved through the factory using dedicated production handling equipment.
Before installation into the truck, major mounting surfaces and connection points are checked once again.
Critical interfaces are inspected before the powertrain is brought together with the truck's main structure. This is where separate manufacturing operations converge into one continuous heavy truck production system. The production line now shifts attention from the powertrain toward the structures that will surround it.
While the powertrain is being prepared, the truck's cab structure is built through a separate sequence of precision joining operations.
Robotic joining helps hold the cab structure accurately while its metal sections are permanently connected.
Joining operations create the rigid structure needed before the cab receives its interior and exterior components. After structural joining, the cab moves deeper into production, where its individual systems will be installed. Inside the bare cab, mounting points are prepared before the interior systems begin to take shape. Manual installation adds the components that cannot simply be joined by the automated body process. With the basic shell established, the cab begins to look like the truck it will eventually become. Panel alignment is checked carefully so the finished cab maintains consistent fit across its visible surfaces. Production now moves inside the cab, where the driver's working environment begins to take shape. The dashboard is fitted piece by piece, bringing controls and driver information into their final positions. Behind the visible controls, technicians connect and secure the systems that make the cabin functional. The cabin is now developing into a complete driver environment, rather than an empty metal shell. Glass and surrounding trim are fitted carefully because the cabin must be sealed and aligned before final assembly. Surfaces are checked closely before the cab moves toward its larger vehicle assembly stages. Larger interior modules are installed next, requiring careful coordination inside the confined cabin. Much of the electrical and mechanical work happens in spaces hidden beneath the visible cabin. Several specialized teams can work on the same cab, as different systems are installed in sequence. Inside the cab, the once empty shell is becoming a functional workspace for the driver. The cab is now recognizable, but the truck still needs its frame, drivetrain, wheels, and major systems. Beneath the cab, The heavy-duty frame provides the structural foundation for everything that follows. Components are attached directly to the frame, creating the foundation for the truck's mechanical systems. Wiring and lines are routed through the chassis before the larger mechanical assemblies occupy the available space. The long frame gives technicians room to build the truck from the underside upward. Hundreds of connections must be routed cleanly, so later components can be installed without interference. Now the major mechanical assemblies begin moving onto the frame, changing the project from a bare structure into a truck. The powertrain is now brought together with the frame, where precise mounting becomes critical. Technicians guide the assembly into its mounts, ensuring the heavy components sit correctly within the frame.
Once aligned, the powertrain is secured so it can carry the truck's enormous operating loads.
With the powertrain mounted, technicians can begin connecting the surrounding systems that make it part of the complete vehicle.
Mechanical connections are installed around the powertrain before the upper vehicle structure is brought into position.
At this stage, several specialized operations happen together as the truck moves toward full integration. Now the cab finally meets the chassis, bringing two major production streams together. Small alignment corrections are made as the cab settles onto its mounting points. Once seated correctly, the cab is secured and its remaining connections can be completed.
Connections hidden beneath the cab are completed before the truck moves toward its final hardware installation.
The truck has now crossed a major milestone. Its main structure, cab, and powertrain are working as one assembly. The heavy-duty wheels are installed next, giving the truck the hardware needed to carry its massive loads. Wheel alignment has to be precise before the assembly can be firmly secured. Fasteners are tightened with controlled tools to secure the wheel assembly correctly. Once the wheels are installed, attention shifts to the truck's distinctive front-end hardware.
The front assembly is fitted carefully because it combines structural components with the truck's recognizable exterior design.
The final front components begin closing the gap between unfinished machine and finished heavy truck.
Near the end of the line, the truck receives the final systems and adjustments before testing begins.
Final mechanical connections are tightened and checked before the truck leaves the assembly area. The engine bay receives another inspection to verify that the installed systems are correctly positioned. Most of the major assembly is complete, leaving final adjustments before the truck enters dedicated testing. Exterior fit and alignment are checked before the finished truck moves into testing. Before testing, technicians make a final visual and mechanical pass over the completed vehicle. Once assembly is complete, the truck moves into controlled testing rather than directly into service.
Testing begins under controlled conditions, so important vehicle systems can be evaluated safely.
Inside the cab, the driver checks the controls while the truck is subjected to controlled test conditions. The finished cab is exposed to controlled environmental conditions to check its sealing and exterior integrity. The cabin is checked from the inside while water is directed across the windshield and exterior seals. Even the front lighting and exterior joints are exposed to the same controlled test conditions.
After the environmental test, the truck leaves the chamber for further functional checks.
The wheels and running gear are also evaluated as the completed truck moves through controlled test conditions.
The completed vehicle is checked as a complete system rather than as separate components.
Testing confirms that the finished truck behaves as one integrated machine after thousands of assembly operations.
Final functional checks focus on the complete vehicle's movement and mechanical response.
After the controlled tests, the completed truck is ready for its final inspection. After testing, the finished exterior is inspected one last time before release from the production facility. The final walk-around checks the finished truck for visible assembly issues before it leaves the plant. Now complete, the truck leaves the final production area and moves toward the facility exit. After passing its factory checks, the finished Mercedes Actros finally leaves the production building. From a collection of machined parts, panels, and systems, it has become one complete heavy-duty vehicle. The finished vehicle now moves through the same industrial complex where its production journey began. This is the final result of a highly coordinated manufacturing process built around precision and heavy-duty engineering. Complexity of producing heavy commercial vehicles at industrial volume. Behind every finished truck is an enormous network of production halls, workers, equipment, and logistics. Every production stage we followed connects inside a facility designed to move enormous machines efficiently from station to station. From precision engine work to final testing, every stage transforms individual parts into a road-ready heavy lifter. From thousands of precision operations to the final test, this is how a Mercedes Actros becomes a finished heavy-duty machine.